Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So Gigabyte graphic driver, and so first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this official website. After that, right hand side this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the graphic card model number. AORUS GeForce RTX 3080 Ti Master 12G. After that, click on the product. You can see your graphic card. You click on it. Then click on support. Then select your operating system, Windows 7, 10 and 11. So both of all operating system installations are download processing. You can see. Okay, and this is your driver, and click to download. This is download icon. When you click to download, it will start downloading in the download box, and it will complete it 2 to 4 to 5 minutes. After, click on three dot and click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file saved to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see. Okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next, license options, and here to step finished. And after that, also completed driver, then restart your system.